Welcome to this 10-minute Sun Salutation Series A tutorial. We'll start at the top of our mat in Tadasana, shoulders rolled back and down, feet are hip-width distance apart. Taking a moment to settle into the body, observe the breath, maybe notice your alignment, ensure that you're comfortable. On your next exhale, we'll join our palms together at heart center in Pranamasana prayer pose. On our inhale, we'll extend our arms upwards into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend, coming into Padahastasana, forward fold. Inhale, step the right leg back, dropping the right knee, coming into Ashwasanchalasana. Gaze up, look up, tuck the toes. Exhale, press back into plank pose. Inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, come down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, push up into Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck the toes, pushing back into Parvatasana. Inhale, bring the right leg forward, dropping the left knee, untucking the toes, head up, chest up. Exhale, tuck the toes, step the left foot to meet the right foot, forward fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold, and we'll go on the second side. This time stepping back with the left leg, dropping the left knee, untucking the toes. Planting the hands down, stepping back into plank pose. Inhale, lower the knees, press down into 8-limb staff pose. Inhale, cobra, tuck the toes. Exhale, press back into downward facing dog. Inhale, step the left leg forward, drop the knees, untuck the toes, head up, chest up. Tuck the toes, bring the right leg to meet the left leg, forward fold. Inhale, extend the arms up, and exhale, lower the arms down by your side. So this is one round of a Sun Salutation Series A modification for beginners. We're going to perform this 2 more rounds with our legs hip-width distance apart, and then we will speed things up slightly and go through a faster paced flow. On your next exhale, joining the hands together at heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold, bend the knees. Inhale, step back with the right leg, drop the knee, untuck the toes, head up, chest up, broaden across the chest. Tuck the toes, press back into plank, exhale. Inhale, drop the knees, 8-limb staff pose. Inhale, press up into cobra. Tuck the toes, exhale, press back into downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg forward, drop the left knee, untuck the toes, head up, chest up. Tuck the left toes, bring the left foot to meet the right, forward fold. Inhale, extend the arms skywards, finding a slight arch in the mid-back. Exhale, forward fold, this time stepping back with the left leg, drop the left knee. Press the palms down, step back into plank pose. Exhale, inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left knee towards the front. Drop the right knee, untuck the toes, head up, chest up. Tuck the toes, step the right leg to meet the left leg, forward fold. Inhale, arms up, head up. Exhale, gently lower the arms by your side. Taking a moment to re-equilibrate with the breath. Find your center, your focus. Let go of any thoughts that may be arising. Ground yourself in the moment. We'll go once more with our feet apart. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step back with the right leg. Drop the right knee down, untuck the toes, head up, chest up. Plant the palms down, step back into plank pose. Exhale. Inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, press up into cobra. Tuck the toes. Exhale, press back into mountain or downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg forward, drop the left knee, untuck the toes, broaden across the collarbones. Tuck the left toes, bring the left foot to meet the right. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. And we'll go on the left side, forward fold, step back with the left leg, drop the left knee. Press back into plank pose, exhale. Inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, 8-limb staff pose. Inhale, press back into cobra. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Inhale, bring the left leg forward, drop the right knee, head up, chest up. Tuck the toes, bring the right foot to meet the left, forward fold. Inhale, extend the arms overhead, finding a slight back bend. Exhale, gently lower the hands by your side. Again, taking a moment to find your center, tune into the breath. This could be an opportunity to recite a mantra or an affirmation. 2 more breaths. For these next few rounds, we will join our feet together. Legs are engaged, shoulders rolled back and down, core is switched on, and we'll flow through this series quickly, one breath at a time. Exhale, join the palms together. Inhale, extend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step back with the right leg, head up, chest up. Press back into plank pose. Exhale, inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg comes forward, head up, chest up. Bring the left leg to meet the right, forward fold. Inhale, come up. Forward fold, go on the left. Step the left leg back, knee down, untuck the toes. Press back into plank pose. Drop the knees, drop the chest. Press up into cobra. Pressing back into downward facing dog. Left leg comes forward, drop the right knee, head up, chest up. Tuck the right toes, bring the right leg to meet the left. Inhale, extend the arms overhead and gently lower the arms by your side. Taking 3 cleansing breaths, gradually inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling. And again, joining the palms together. Inhale, extend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step the right leg back. Broaden across the collarbone. Step back into plank pose. Drop the knees, Ashtanga Namaskar. Press up into Bhujangasana. Press back into mountain. Bring the right leg forward. Drop the knees. Head up, chest up. Tuck the toes. Bring the left leg to meet the right leg. Extend the arms skywards. Exhale, fold. Step back with the left leg. Broaden across the chest. Step back into plank pose, drop the knees, 8-limb staff pose, press up to cobra, step back into downward facing dog, bring the left leg forward, drop the right knees, head up, chest up, bring the right leg to meet the left leg, forward fold, inhale, extend, and gently lower the arms by your side. You might like to close the eyes here, go inwards. And we'll go for one final round. Exhale, hands together. Inhale, extend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step back with the right leg. Bend the knee, untuck the toe, head up, chest up. Press back into plank pose. Drop the knee, chest down. Press up into cobra. Exhale, back to mountain. Inhale, bring the right leg forward. Drop the left knee, untuck the toes. Broaden across the chest. Step up to meet the front leg. Inhale, extend. Exhale, forward fold. Step back with the left leg. Untuck the leg. Press back into plank pose, drop the knees, press up into cobra, exhale, press back into mountain pose. Bring the left leg forward, drop the right knee down, untuck the toes, broaden across the chest. Bring the right leg to meet the left. Inhale, extend, and lower the hands down by your side. Taking a moment to re-equilibrate. On our next inhale, we'll extend our arms overhead, exhale, forward fold. Come up into a halfway lift. You might like to place the palms on the shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. We'll step back into plank pose. Drop the knees. Widen our stance and sink our hips back towards our heels as we come into child's pose. Allow yourself to surrender to the moment, maybe resting the forehead on the mat, extend the arms out in front, breathing into the rib space, the side body, the waist. And when you're ready, we will come up into a seated position. Roll the shoulders back and down, place your palms in your lap, and just acknowledging your efforts for today, showing up to your practice. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining this Sun Salutation Series A tutorial. Namaste.